My name's Oliver and I'm from Sheffield. My practice is in Buxton. I wanted to learn more about CBCT and being able to provide those and take CBCTs for patients. Yeah. I thought Neil was really good, really good, really engaging. I don't think I've been on a course quite so engaging really. Very, very active. We could do different things. It wasn't just simply sitting and being told information. We could have a play with the software and with the equipment as well, and that was really, really useful. I think for me, actually being able to sit down and take time to drive the software, to actually get a feel for what it's going to be like to actually use, that really was a useful moment for me. I think it gives me as a dentist more options when I'm trying to do the best for the patients. I can now consider lots of different modalities, 2D and 3D, and it means that I can provide better for patients. Do it. It's a really, really good day. Really enjoyed it. Everyone's been really helpful, so like all the Dentsply Sirona staff really helpful, all the gears here, the speaker was really great, really great, really, really good. Really enjoyed it.